Hi friends, it's my off day today and what's my plan today? I'm going to treat myself for reaching 100 subscribers. So I'm going to walk all the way from Payoh to Little India and have a good brunch and go for a good haircut and walk all the way back. The reason why I'm going to walk is my motorbike is also going to rest today. And I also save some petrol money, and I also keep myself occupied. I waste my time. Courtallam is a very famous waterfall city in the southern part of India at the border of the two states of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Over there they have a very famous shop selling parotta. It's called Courtallam Bordered Parotta Shop, and they have outlets at many places of India, and now we are going to the outlet in Singapore. It is located in Little India at Rowell Road. Parotta is called as roti canai in Malaysia and roti prata in Singapore. The journey is 5 kilometers from Toa Payoh to go Little India. By normal walking pace, it could take around 1 hour. If I go by bus or motorbike, it could take around 20 minutes. I came down my block and now I'm walking past Toa Payoh Central. The time now is 12:30 in the afternoon and it's quite hot, so I'm not going to get myself suntan. So I'll try the most to walk under a shade. So now I'm walking past the Toa Payoh Town Park. So at least 1 kilometer of my journey I can walk inside the town park. And most of the part of my journey I will walk in shade, just not to get suntan. The park looks very calm, cool, silent, you see, and it's very refreshing to walk in the shade. Oh, such a beautiful place. That's why I love Singapore. They still maintain their natural look. No wonder they call Singapore the Garden City. But some also call it concrete jungle, which is not true. They also have a large percentage of natural reserve and man-made park maintained. In one of my videos, I will take you to one of their natural reservoir, Macritchie Reservoir, which is my favorite. Such a beautiful place. A lovely place in the heart of the Toa Payoh busy estate. There's even a small man-made pond over here. The pond, they have turtles. Sometimes you can see turtles, or I think it is not turtles, they are tortoises, and some wild fishes. Okay, I think I have managed to spot a tortoise. You see, a tortoise is slowly swimming over there. A very beautiful man-made pond. And we are lucky we managed to spot a fish over here, a red fish. I don't know the name of the fish. Looks like the fish is sleeping. And more tortoise babies over there. Let us stand. It's quite surprising that we have a small habitat in the center of the city. These are actually the tortoise little ones. They don't look so big. They also have a Chinese restaurant inside the park facing the pond. Okay, we have reached the end of the park. Now we are going to take the flyover and going to go to the other side of the highway. So this is the PIE Expressway, Pan Island Expressway. So we'll be taking this walking bridge to cross over the highway to go to the other side. The park is just beside Payoh swimming complex. I used to visit the swimming complex when I was young. It's a good place. It's very affordable. Used to be $1 and now I think it's $1.50 per entry. The highway is busy as usual. During the lockdown, during the circuit breaker, the highway was deserted, empty. Now it's back to its usual form, lively, busy. The weather looks like there's going to be a shower soon. Hopefully I can go back and return back before it rains. Okay, we have crossed the pedestrian bridge. We have come to the other side of the expressway. Now we are crossing one more small bridge across the canal. I must have covered almost more than a kilometer. Maybe left about 3 more kilometers to go. There's a wild chicken roaming in Singapore Road, which is quite surprising. This is other face of Singapore. Tall buildings everywhere. Singapore also got its name Concrete Jungle and also got its name Garden City. That's the end of Jalan Raja. Now we are taking a shortcut pedestrian pathway and we are going to enter Balestier Road. This is the smaller road connecting to Balestier Road. A Chinese temple along the way. The temple is still closed because of the circuit breaker. Okay, we have reached Balestier Road and that's the Balestier Road food court. Balestier Road is popular for its bak kut teh. We have plenty of restaurants selling bak kut teh. Balestier Road is also popular for its light shops. We have plenty of light shops here. Okay, now we are walking past Balestier Plaza. Okay, now we need to walk straight along the Balestier Road for another maybe 1.5 kilometers. It doesn't look good. It is drizzling. In spite of the rain, we are still going to continue. Okay, that's the end of Balestier Road. So now we have to turn left and walk in the Maulin Road towards Lavender for another 1 kilometer. All the way straight and you turn right, you can reach Little India. The rain has been getting heavier and heavier, so we have finally reached Little India. Now let's go to the restaurant. This is the Singapore outlet for the Courtallam Ramat border shop. It is strategically located at Little India, Rowell Road, very near to Mustafa Shopping Centre. If you come to shopping at Little India, you can plan a visit over here. The restaurant is not very big and not very small, just nice, cozy and comfortable. You can check the description box for the link of the location of the restaurant. They have a wide variety of Indian, South Indian, North Indian and local dishes. So today I'm going to order plain biryani with pepper fried prawns and sweet lassi. And since the shop is famous for parotta, and order of parotta set is a must. The presentation is good, the taste is also delicious and authentic. I haven't tried the food at an original outlet in Courtallam. I believe it should be as good as this. You all could give a try. As I told earlier, I'm also going to have a haircut. This is in Little India, Dunlop Street. They have a few choices of Indian hair salon, and their price is very affordable and decent haircut at the price of just $6. If you liked my video, don't forget to like and share with others, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out my future videos. Thank you and bye.